Death is one of the few certainties in life. But what exactly happens to your body in the moments and hours after you take your last breath? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating and sometimes eerie processes that occur the moment life ends. Let's start with the most crucial organ, the heart. Within seconds of death, the heart stops beating. Without the heart pumping blood, circulation comes to an abrupt halt, and oxygen supply to the entire body is cut off. The first organ to feel the impact is the brain. The brain is the most oxygen-sensitive organ. Within 10 seconds of the heart stopping, brain activity decreases dramatically. At this point, unconsciousness occurs, followed by the shutdown of all cognitive functions. Within 3 to 7 minutes, irreversible brain damage sets in as neurons begin to die. But the brain isn't the only organ affected. Let's break down the sequence in which the major organs shut down after death. Immediately after the heart and brain, the kidneys and liver are the next major organs to fail. The kidneys stop filtering blood, and the liver ceases its metabolic functions. Toxins begin to accumulate in the body, no longer being filtered out. The lungs, unable to exchange gases without the heart pumping, also cease function. Oxygen levels in the blood plummet, and carbon dioxide builds up, contributing to the acidification of the blood. Interestingly, the digestive system is one of the last to stop. Without nervous system control, peristalsis, those involuntary muscle contractions in the gut, continues for a short while after death. However, within a few hours, all muscular activity ceases. As time passes, a series of physical changes begins to take place. These processes are known as rigor mortis, livor mortis, and algor mortis. Rigor mortis, or the stiffening of muscles, begins 2 to 6 hours after death. It starts in the smaller muscles, such as those in the face, and gradually spreads throughout the body. By 12 hours, the entire body is stiff, and this state lasts for up to 72 hours before the muscles start to break down. Meanwhile, livor mortis, the pooling of blood in the body's lowest areas, starts within 30 minutes to 2 hours after death. This causes a purplish-red discoloration on the skin, where blood settles due to gravity. Algor mortis, or the cooling of the body, begins immediately after death. The body loses heat at a rate of about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit per hour until it matches the surrounding temperature. Factors like the environment, clothing, and body composition can affect this cooling rate. Now, here's something you might not know. Within cells, a process called autolysis begins. Enzymes start to break down the cells from the inside out, a self-destruct mechanism that kicks in once the body's systems stop regulating themselves. Also, your gut bacteria, usually busy aiding digestion, begin to spread beyond the intestines, contributing to the early stages of decomposition. This process produces gases that cause bloating and eventually lead to the characteristic odor of decay. Decomposition is an inevitable process, where the body gradually returns to the earth. Skin blisters, organs liquefy, and the body's tissues break down, eventually leaving only bones behind. Death is not the end of our story, but rather the beginning of a transformation. From the breakdown of our bodies comes new life, as we return to the earth in a continuous cycle of renewal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of life and death.